Gionee today launched two new smartphones, one in India and the other in China. The one launched in China is the Gionee M30, a premium mid-range smartphone which comes with several powerful hardware. In terms of the design, the Gionee phone has the looks of a rugged phone. It has a metal frame with matte frosted aluminum alloy body and a leather-like finish on the back. The phone comes with a dimension of 160.65.8.4 mm, weighing in at 305 g. The Gionee M30 features a 6-inch LCD screen with an HD Plus resolution of 720/440 pixels. The phone is powered by a MediaTek Helio P60 chipset paired with 8 GB of RAM. The phone also comes with 128 GB of internet storage. The phone comes with a massive 10,000 mAh battery which will sure guarantee an extended usage period. Recall that a Gionee model with 10,000 mAh battery was certified by TENAA last month. There is no doubt this is the model. For photography, the Gionee M30 features a single 16MP camera at the rear with an LED flash underneath. There is also a fingerprint sensor just under the camera. For selfies, the M30 packs an 8MP main camera embedded with face unlock. The Android version onboard WAS and revealed, but TENAA hints at Android Nougat. We doubt if the device will ship with such outdated ROM. Whatever OS version it features, you also get a dedicated encryption chip for upgraded security. Further, the Gionee M30 features a 3.5mm audio jack, stereo speakers, dual 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 802.11 BGN, Bluetooth 4.2, and GPS. The 10,000 mAh battery charges over a USB Type-C port, and you equally get support for 25W fast charging and reverse charging. As for the price, the Gionee M30 comes in black color and is priced at 1399 yuan, $202. The phone is expected to go on sale in China this August via JD.com and other retailers.